Hi guys, so we are going to make a tutorial on how to do mail merge. First, open the Excel. We need to make data like this. It contains number, last name, first name, middle initial, title, and address. After that, close the Excel and then open the Access. In Access, click Blank Database, Create. In External Data, click New Data Source, From File, and then Excel. Browse, find the data that we made earlier, Quick Access, Desktop, and then the data. Open, OK. Click this. First row contains column heading. Next, and then finish. Close. After that, we are going to delete the table 1. Delete. After that, close the Access. Open the Microsoft Word. Make a data like this. Number, last name, first name, middle initial, title, and then address. So we are going to put the names that we made earlier in the Excel. So first, mailings, start mail merge, step by step mail merge. In step 1, next, step 2 until step 3. The step 3, click browse, new data source, other or advanced, next, Microsoft Office 12, next. So in the data source, we can find it in File Explorer. Database 10, because this is the file name of the access that we made earlier. Right click, properties, copy the location. Okay. Paste. Slash. Put the file name. Database 10. And always put .accdb. After that, we're going to test the connection. So to test connection succeeded. Okay, okay, finish, okay. So after that, we're going to insert merge field. This is how. In number, we're going to select the number. And last name, we're going to select the last name too. First name, the first name, middle initial, click the middle initial, title, the title, and then the address. Address. So after we put the merge field, we're going to preview results. Next, 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 next. That is how to do mail merge. Bye guys, I hope you learned something.